Nowadays players are spending hundreds of dollars for the top pickleball paddles there. But when it comes to choosing the most effective pickleballs, there's usually the absence of proper research as well as a tendency to use the pickleballs that are the closest to hand. Although it's understandable that you'd like to avoid doing your search for the top pickleballs. While the designs of pickleballs appear like they do, there's a significant distinction between hitting good pickleballs and one that isn't. This video we've come up with the ultimate tutorial to guide you on how to choose the most effective pickleball balls. Our top choice for the most durable outdoor pickleball is the Onyx Pure 2 Pickleball. The beautifully designed and constructed pickleball is perfect for any weather outside that includes rain and wind. Onyx Pure 2 Pickleballs. Onyx Pure 2 Pickleballs have an unbeatable ball flight and respond to the paddle face in the way you want it to. Available in a range of sizes for the packet and sizes, the Onyx Pure 2 makes for an ideal pickleball for every player. Its Onyx Pure 2 Pickleball weighs 25 grams and is 2.875 inches across. When dropped from 75 inches on an unfinished concrete flooring, the ball bounces about 33 inches high and is ideal for playing outside. Onyx Pure 2 Onyx Pure 2 is constructed out of 2 pieces, and it is sewn between the 2 pieces of the ball. There are 40 holes on the pickleball. The Onyx Pure 2 meets all USAPA guidelines and requirements, and is certified for use in tournaments. The best feature of the Onyx Pure 2 is that it has smaller holes than the typical pickleball and weighs a bit higher than other outdoor pickleballs. This is because it can fly regardless of the weather and is a great pickleball to play outdoors. Furthermore, the Onyx Pure 2 includes authentic bounce technology at its heart, which ensures that your ball will bounce exactly as you'd expect it to on any surface. There is nothing more annoying than being disappointed by the ball's flight, bouncing off the court for pickleball, or hitting off the paddle's face. So, say goodbye to all these worries by getting on the Onyx Pure 2 Pickleball. The next pickleball on our top pickleballs comes from one of the most popular pickleballs, which is Dura Indoor Big Hole Pickleball. It is a little lighter than Dura Fast 40. The indoor big hole ball has bigger holes in the surface of the ball, making for a lighter impact during ball contact. There isn't any difference in the construction of both the Dura Indoor and Fast 40s. So if you are looking for the same ball with an indoor focus, this ball is perfect for you. The Dura Indoor Big Hole Pickleballs are a popular choice for indoor athletes. The ball is molded to ensure that it doesn't have a seam and is made from the hard plastic, which ensures it is very tough and long-lasting. The bigger ball holes make the ball lighter than Dura Fast 40. Additionally, when dropped from an altitude of 75 inches, it bounces around 31 inches. One of the best things regarding this Dura Indoor is that it's offered in a wide range of color options that include green, white, yellow, and white. If you're looking for a ball that is similar to the Fast 40s, however, is better suited for indoor use, opt for this Dura Large Indoor Pickleball. Our next pick on our best pickleball balls are the Nuipipo Pickleballs. A solid outdoor pickleball, which can also be used indoors. This low-cost, high-quality pickleball is a good choice to anyone looking for a substitute for the Onyx as well as a jugs ball. The Nuipipo Pickleballs are an excellent alternative for those looking for a sturdy outdoor ball that performs similar to the Onyx and jugs ball. The Nuipipo balls are made with precision drilled holes that guarantee even ball flight, and the ball is composed of 2 larger, symmetrical halves which are joined seamlessly, not actually seamless. The Nuipipo Pickleball balls are very balanced and weigh very similar to Onyx Pure 2 Pickleballs. Additionally, they come with authentic bounce technology, which means that they behave in a similar way with other top pickleball brands. If you're in search of an excellent ball that's reasonably priced, you should look into Nuipipo Pickleballs. Fourth on our best pickleballs list are that of the Franklin X40. The Franklin Sports X40 pickleballs are exceptionally durable and hard-wearing, which are great for the court outside. They are available in pink and dark green shades, as is white. They are the ideal alternative for those looking for high-quality pickleballs that stand out nicely against the outdoor environment. These Franklin X40 pickleball balls are an excellent choice for anyone who needs a more substantial pickleball to play outdoors. These Franklin Sports X40s weigh 26 grams and are made of durable plastic. They are also made with an integrated design that avoids breaking and wear following the use of a lot of force. One of the great things about the Franklin Pickleball X40s is that they're offered in neon bright green, or dark pink. This makes the X40 make a statement on any playing surface outdoors. In addition, they feature a smooth surface and 40 precisely drilled holes on the surface. This gives the ball exceptional control and predictability regardless of weather conditions. If you're looking for an exceptional, hard-wearing, and durable pickleball, one that is USAPA certified that is suitable for outdoors play. Choose Franklin X40 Pickleballs. The last pickleball in our list of the top pickleballs can be described as the Gamma Photon Outdoor Pickleball. The versatile ball is appropriate for intermediate to high-level players and comes with all the characteristics of a top pickleball. It is available in high visibility colors. Pickleball is noticeable whenever you play pickleball outdoors. Gamma Photon is a Gamma Photon outdoor pickleball composed of two pieces that are joined to create an ideal appearance. This ball has been USAPA certified and has 40 precise holes made into its surface to ensure a smooth ball flight. The Gamma Sports Ball itself is made from durable plastic that makes Gamma Photon robust, durable and suitable for high-frequency play. If you're looking for an athletic ball that is well balanced and is noticeable when playing outside, Gamma Photon pickleballs could be the right choice for you. Offering a feasible substitute for Onyx and Jugs pickleballs that are played outdoors are a fantastic alternative.